devoir oublier. Hi, my name is Tommy and welcome to my channel Black Child Entertainment. Today's video is how to invest intelligently. Episode 1. Invested in stocks. Firstly, I would recommend everyone holding a small amount of their asset portfolio in stocks, alongside the obvious assets, property, land, commodities, etc. Not only is there the opportunity for exponential growth, but also a great opportunity to have an additional regular income. An investment of only £50 per week would be more than £2,500 in your asset portfolio at the end of the year. The growth of the stock and the dividend payments on the top of this, it becomes an awesome investment. For those of you who have more cash at your disposal, it's an incredible chance to create generational wealth. The British government and other governments around the world offer ISA accounts. These are tax-free. For example, the British government offers a £20,000 tax-free ISA account for investing. The profit on this investment is tax-free, and this can be done each year. Therefore, there is the opportunity to compound your wealth even more. I'd always advise investing in dividend stocks. Having a dividend stock then becomes an asset and pays you an income, rather than just an asset with no income being generated only in the hope that the asset appreciates over time. If you invest regularly and keep reinvesting your dividend payments, your amount of capital compounds enormously over time. Investing in stocks can seem very daunting at first, but as the saying goes, knowledge is power. So learning about a particular stock, the type of market, and other crucial information, for example, the quick ratio of the company or its price to earnings ratio, is vitally important. Watch a small clip of Warren Buffett to understand more.
77 years since I bought my first stock, and I paid $114.75 for 3 shares of City Service Preferred. But if you'd been a pension fund and you put $1 million into the S&P 500 at that time and reinvested it, during my investing lifetime, that million would have turned into $5.3 billion. You would have gotten, for every dollar you put in, you've gotten over $5,000. Einstein is reputed to have said that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world or something like that. And it goes back to that story you probably learned when you were in grade school, where somebody did something for the king, and the king said, "What can I do for you?" And he said, "Well, let's take a chessboard and put 1 kernel of wheat on the first square, and then double it on the second and double it on the third." And the king readily agreed to it, and by the time he figured out what 2 to the 64th amounted to, he was giving away the entire kingdom. So it's a pretty simple concept, but over time, it accomplishes extraordinary things.
As you can see, the effect of compounding is incredible and possible for everyone. No matter your financial background or financial situation, you can become wealthy by sticking to this formula. A formula that has been used by many successful people over the years to create enormous wealth. I also highly recommend you read The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and prefaced by Warren Buffett. It is a must-read. It's extremely detailed and gives you a thorough plan of how to invest correctly. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would be great. Thank you. Have a great day. Keep sharp. Élevez l'élevage sentiment de foi, oublie